At Coca Cola Park in Allentown, Pennsylvania, details matter. From the architecture to the fan experience, every element contributes to how visitors engage with the space. When Paradise Labs was tasked with transforming exposed steel columns into realistic, fire-safe trees for a stadium patio, they needed materials that could deliver realism, durability, and performance in a public venue. The challenge was clear: create nature-inspired elements that could convincingly mimic real tree bark, while complying with fire safety requirements and withstanding long-term use in a high-traffic outdoor environment. Paradise Labs approached the project using a layered fabrication process, capturing organic detail from real tree bark and translating it into durable sculpted surfaces designed specifically for architectural theming. To capture fine bark texture, flexible silicone rubber stamps were created using smooth-on Rebound silicone. These stamps preserve the subtle details and irregularities found in natural bark, forming the foundation for a realistic surface texture. The sculpted tree forms were fabricated over fiberglass half-tube structures and built up using freeform habitat fire-safe epoxy putty. This flame-rated material allowed the team to apply texture, build form, and achieve hard, durable surfaces suitable for public installation. Habitat FireSafe provided long working time, strong adhesion, and the ability to repeatedly stamp and layer textures without sacrificing structural integrity. Once cured, the material formed a solid, impact-resistant surface ready for finishing. To bring the trees to life, Paradise Labs applied Maker Pro paints, building up layers of color, variation, and depth to closely replicate the appearance of natural bark. The result was a finish that looks authentic both from a distance and up close. On site at Coca Cola Park, each tree was installed by assembling the sculpted halves around existing steel columns. Additional Habitat FireSafe was used to seamlessly bond the sections together, creating a continuous, unified form integrated directly into the architecture. One of the trees was extended upward through the patio ceiling, reinforcing the illusion of a full, uninterrupted structure. Final paint applications using Maker Pro paints completed the installation, allowing the trees to blend naturally into the stadium patio environment while maintaining durability and fire safety compliance. The finished installation transforms the space, adding warmth, realism, and visual interest to a highly visible public area. Projects like this demonstrate what's possible when skilled fabricators combine creative vision with professional-grade materials engineered for demanding environments. Smooth-on materials support artists, fabricators, and designers in bringing ambitious ideas to life, where creativity, performance, and reliability matter most.